I'm Joe Chile. You can listen to me mornings on the Big Weck. Joining us on the Big Weck's Buffalo on the Rise is Kathy Aquino. Kathy's the Vice President of Sales, Medicare Consumer and Small Business Markets. I have to look.
Yes.
At Independent Health. I have to make sure I get it all in.
Yeah,
you know,
that's a long one, Joe.
I mean, you've been there for a while, and
I have.
you've earned all of this.
Sure.
Each and every one of those
Absolutely.
titles. Independent Health, a name that we're very familiar with in the market. You guys have received awards and acclamations, and tell us a little bit of background.
Yeah, so the history on Independent Health is we began business back in 1980, and we have been insuring individuals and employer groups here in Western New York for almost 44 years. And how we do that, Joe, is behind our tagline of the red shirt treatment. And the red shirt treatment really is a commitment of providing exceptional customer service. And our red shirts have been doing that for, like I said, since 1980 and for 44 years. So it's been a great opportunity for us to take care of the individuals for health insurance here for a very long time.
People are going to be asking, the people watching, how many red shirts do you have?
Well, we have a little over 1,100 red shirts behind the scenes.
1,100?
Yeah. Different offices, work from home.
I feel so bad for people that have to do laundry. I understand that your Medicare Advantage plan have once again received a prestigious award. Tell us about it.
Sure. This marks the third year in a row that Independent Health has received the highest score on the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid Services. I call it their report card. And behind those 5 stars, 3 years in a row, is the opportunity that Independent Health can enroll Medicare beneficiaries all year round here in 2024. And because we're the only plan here in Western New York that received that 5-star status for 2024, if an individual did enroll in a plan during open enrollment last year, Joe, and now it's 2024, and maybe they're in the wrong plan, they absolutely can come in or call a red shirt, and we can talk to them about the plan they're currently enrolled in and show them the Medicare Advantage plans that Independent Health offers behind that 5-star status and the ability to enroll all year round.
And your public relations manager, his one fear every day when he goes to bed, you know, we've had these 5 stars all this time.
Yeah.
What happens if we lose a star?
Yeah.
How do we,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
It's a lot of hard work behind
a lot
the
of hard
scenes.
work, sure,
Yeah.
and absolutely.
Yep.
And why is that so important? I mean, I think there are a lot of companies around that people get flooded with email, and and even at the enrollment period, because they want to try to see if they can sneak people away from different things. So why is this important?
Yeah, I mean, the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid Services created this 5-star recognition because it's an opportunity for Medicare beneficiaries across the nation to really ask the health plan, how well are you taking care of your customers? And it's about the value, the quality, and the actual performance of that health plan and what they're providing to their customer base. And in 3 main areas when it comes to the health plan, receiving those stars is behind keeping their members healthy, behind managing their chronic medical conditions, because people are sick, so the health plan needs to work with their customers and the doctors to make sure customers are doing everything they need to do, take their prescriptions, go to the doctor. And then it's really that overall member experience from the health plan. So just like people, look at the ratings when they're going to reserve a room at a hotel, or if you're buying a new product or service, we all look at the 5 stars, and what did that company get? So being the only health plan, again, here in Western New York that received that 5-star, I encourage people to ask their health plan, well, what's your star status? Because that really is a lot of work behind the scenes to get that highest recognition.
So do you contact the people that you work with and ask for like an exit interview or something every year to say, how are we performing?
Yeah, actually we have to report a lot of our information of how we are taking care of our customers to the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid Services. So the result of the reporting and the information we provide back to the Centers of Medicare and Medicaid Services on all of their measurements is what they review and then provide that star status based on the health plan.
Besides the 5 stars, what do you think sets you apart?
The red shirt treatment. I mean, I can't say enough that exceptional customer service. When you enroll with your health plan, Joe, you want to make sure that when you call them, they're picking up the phone timely and they're giving you that accurate answer. Everyone's busy. Insurance can be very complicated. So providing that excellent customer service is at the core of who we are at Independent Health.
What kind of plans and benefits do you offer?
Sure. For 2024, we still continue to offer our 0 premium plans. and that is with prescription and without, depending on the person's needs. In addition, we are providing a new $10 PPO plan, and that is ideal for our snowbirds who probably aren't here right now, and they're down south, and they leave Western New York for 5 to 6 months, but that ensures that they have coverage when they're outside of the Western New York area. In addition, again, I repeated earlier, that ability to continue to help our customers maintain and stay healthy. By doing that, we provide $0 co-payments within our plan. So for their routine eye exams, for their routine dental, gym membership is at a zero cost. In addition, we did include up to $2,000 in dental benefits for covered services, because good dental health leads to good medical health. So again, for 2024, we have a plan pretty much to meet everyone's needs.
And how would someone go about joining Independent Health if they're watching today and they say, my plan doesn't sound like it's so good compared to this,
Sure, they can visit one of our Medicare information centers that are open all year round, Joe, located in Cheektowaga, in Williamsville, Orchard Park, and in Jamestown, Lakewood area. Or if they can't get into a Medicare information center, definitely give us a call. Our call center is open 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. at 635-4900, and talk to a red shirt.
All right, thank you very much, Kathy Aquino.
Sure.
For more information and answers to your questions, contact Independent Health by calling 716-635-4900 or go to independenthealth.com. Sponsorship and promotional considerations for the preceding segment provided by the following.